Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Llama 3.2 locally. So if I go into this command prompt, let's use their CLS. If I write there Llama minus minus version, so you can see 32.1 that install. So with the help of this Llama that I'm going to install their Llama 3.2. So let's write the command Llama, then run Llama 3.2. So Llama run Llama 3.2. Now press enter. So pulling manifest for this one, net must be connected because this will do some download. So here you can see this is the small brain of the coder. So this is total size is 2 GB and currently this is downloading with this speed. This will take only 10-minute times to complete this download. Okay, so this is one of the best model you can use for coding. So you can download, then you can use anytime. So waiting till completed of this. This here, Llama 3.2 that install locally. Thereafter, you can write any query there, test with Hive. Or if you open this place PowerShell or command prompt, let's write there CLS. So if I write Llama run Llama 3.2. So run. Okay, we need to give there run. Then you can directly get this. No need to download and install because this downloaded already. This returning there. How can I assist you today? So writing the query how to learn PowerShell. So this is my second question and see here this is returning so quickly. Was tutorial ready to join this Reddit improve Microsoft Office here this year. So this is how we can do the installation of Llama 3.2 locally. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.